In this video,
we will learn how to install Enable All Interiors mod in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to install Enable All Interiors mod, all you need to do is firstly head to the GTA 5 mods page of Enable All Interiors. From here, select Download, then click on Download, then click on Start Download, then download will begin. After that, you also need to make sure that you have Lemon UI installed in your GTA 5 game. So all you need to do is just click on download from here and the download will begin. And you need to also make sure that you have scripthook v and scripthookv.net installed in your game files. After that, in order to install, all you need to do is just firstly extract these files into a separate folder. Now we need to open up our GTA 5 installation directory. In order to do that, we will head into our game launcher that we're using. From here, we'll select the three dots, click on manage, then open up the install location. After we have opened up the install location, firstly we will do is open up the enable all interior mod file, head into file again. From here, copy the scripts folder and paste it into our GTA 5 installation directory. Afterwards, we need to head into the Lemon UI folder, then the shvdn3. From here, copy everything, head into the scripts folder and paste them in here. Now we can launch our GTA 5 game. Afterwards, after getting into the game, you can enable all interiors by opening up your mobile phone by clicking on the up arrow in your keyboard. From here to contacts and scroll down at the bottom of the contacts, you'll find enable all interiors. Just call this option and the options of the enable all interior will pop up. From the mix setting, you can enable marker and blip. After doing that, if you open up the map, you will see various icons on your map that have appeared of the interiors that are accessible. After that, you can head into any of these markers and you can access them. So this is how you can easily install, enable or interior mods in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.